I'm trying to bring you down while going up.
I know I got -9 the last one.
Good.
I know. You want to go blue or you want to go frag?
I don't care. I'll do it.
It's our teammate's choice, so.
Yeah.
I'm the jump master.
Okay, I guess it's my choice. All right, we're going to the OG
Dude, it's just
building.
your choice. Just do whatever.
Remember,
I was gonna see if you could show me the $1,300 PC on stream. Oh, that would be pretty cool. Yeah, to be ordered on stream, dude. I'll tell you what though, if you did order it, and shoot us an email saying, you know, hey, I'm Zick from the streams, we'd be more than happy to, you know, if you wanted us to sign the PC or maybe the instructions with the PC, whatever you want, we'd be happy to do that. But yeah, I do always tell people, because I have a lot of people that be like, oh, I'm thinking about getting this one. I like to tell people, like, you know, hey, treat the PCs like they may not be up for more than a day. Because there's always a chance.
I didn't get a gun.
I dropped one. I dropped a, oh, what is it called? A good one. That's all you need to know. Oh, here's the other one, Zach.
Weak, like one shot.
We're all outside the ring, and the wallet is coming our way.
I would heal up. There's another team still.
Recharging my shield.
I'm gonna get a teammate. I think there's another
Yeah,
team.
no
Is there?
bad
Oh,
sound.
chances not. I'm just crazy. Oh, I forgot I had gold backpack too, so that works out really well. You have nades? Why can I not hit them?
I have lots of nades.
Ow, they hit me.
Recharging shields.
I'm checking this care package over here.
Okay. You hoping there's a Kraber, dude?
I heard him.
So we want to go deal with them real quick and then get into circle, or just hold them?
Okay, they all have snipers. I will give you that.
Enemy over there.
Broke armor on that guy there. He's hiding right here. I hear people below us. Oh, right here.
I see someone over there.
Oh, coming up the zip, coming up the zip.
You're over here by yourself?
Blue armor.
Enemy over here.
Loba's they're running.
That one over there is cracked.
Oh, he closed it. Oh my god, dude, I'm pissed. Yeah, let's push him. He's solo.
Yo, we should def check out that care pack.
Tossing jump drive.
You know where it is?
He's in here. Hiding in the corner.
Enemy.
Over there. I can see that the ring's moving on the map. Frag out.
Throwing an arc star.
Frag out.
Tossing an arc star. Grenade out.
Down one. Who's ready to fly on a zip line? I am.
Attention.
Fire, friends. Fire.
There's a guy up top still.
Yeah, I see him up there.
Over there.
He's cracked.
That's gonna keep.
I'm going up there again with my zip. Okay, I can't get to it.
There's one on our teammate, like, absolutely lit.
Taking fire. Enemy down.
There's another squad.
Thermite out.
Oh my god, what is all these charge rifles? Dude, I just got, like, cross-charge rifled.
Charging shields.
The one up top has no shields. They haven't healed yet. So I think they still have no shields, no armor, or health just sitting up there. I'm gonna try and... I don't even know if I can zip up. I'm gonna try.
There's a Wraith up there.
I am taking fire, friends.
You're up there alone right now?
Got him.
Oh.
We just eliminated the whole squad.
Watch out the 50 snipers shooting at you.
Dude, I was fucking strafed like a mad lad to get up here.
Heal.
You're a little nut, dude.
I'm a little sweaty boy. Dude, my W key keeps like breaking. Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Recharging my shields.
I don't even know where this guy at the charge rifle is, but he was dicking on me.
I got ammo.
Dude, how am I? Okay, there we go.
The ring is nearby.
There's a guy right there, by the way.
Charging on my shield. Yup. It's go time. Recharging shields.
Oh my god, these guys have red armor from
Recharging
just
shields.
charge rifling,
Seconds
dude.
until the ring closes. Grab what you need and let's go. Tossing jump drive.
Taking fire. Charging shields. Come on, come on. Reloading. The ring's moving. I know somebody guys here. Jump that out.
Right here. Have him.
Enemy down.
Nice.
He might have had gold.
Took care of that one.
Good job.
He did not.
Bad guys, let's do this.
You said to make yourself feel better. Broke armor in that guy?
Gift shop.
Yeah.
The enemies are shooting.
I put it in a beautiful spot for Isaac. Is this double charge rifle?
Charging shields.
Target over there.
He nades in here.
I really hope they don't throw a nade at us right now. Ow!
Nice choice. You got good taste. I'm down.
Dude! This stupid ass game. I hate people so much. Heck. They're pushing now.
Can't believe I'm
And
standing.
our teammates helping me in the middle of the open. Is that you? They're all up here, I think.
I am taking fire, friends. Using grapple.
Okay, I got Thirsted Smile. I really hope you guys win this. Just to prove a point.
He's cracked. Self-res right here, self-res right here. He lost.
Oh my actual god. Wow.
Dude, did you see my beautiful nade? You said they were pushing, so I threw 2 nades straight up and they landed on top of these dudes. One blew, like, it blew up and knocked one off the fucking ledge, and the other one just got cracked, and I downed him, and then I can't believe that guy just self-res in front of our teammate and killed him.